So your grandmother gave you money? Let me keep it safe for you. And you're gonna give it back to me when I need it? Whenever you need it back, just tell me. It's right here. Right here. Ma, can I have that money now? I wanna buy ice cream. I don't know. Ice cream? We have ice cream at home. You need to buy ice cream. Ma, it's been years now and I really need that money. Are you gonna give it back? What makes you think I'm not gonna give it back? I am your mother. You think I'm gonna steal from you? My own child? You think I would steal from my own child? Forget I even asked. I'll take it another day. I'm starting to think I'm never gonna get this money back.